Hi everyone, Ben here from PaxPower Performance Trucks in Houston, Texas. And about a month ago we released our Timberwolf package for the 2022 to 2024 Toyota Tundras. And we've had an awesome response to that new release. And we've gotten all kinds of calls from you guys, a lot of input on our package and a lot of feedback, and we want to cover some of that in this video here today and just put some more Tundra content out there, and hopefully that starts some conversations about how you might want to build one of your own. Behind me I have one of the first customer Tundra Timberwolves that PaxPower's turned out. And the first thing you may notice is it doesn't look quite like the truck that we released. The truck that we released several weeks ago was a black limited trim. This one behind me is a gray platinum trim. And we bring that up to say that you can use any of the Toyota Tundra trims when you're making your Timberwolf. It could be an SR5, limited on the lower end, or on the higher end, 1794, platinum, Capstone, whatever. You choose the luxury, you choose the technology, and then come to PaxPower and we'll make a Timberwolf package specific to you and your truck. There are certain things about the Timberwolf package that's standard. You'll find on all of the trucks we use Icon 2.5-inch coilovers in the front with an upper control arm, Icon shocks in the rear with an Icon progressive spring lifting at about 3 inches in the front and 1.5 inches in the back. And then you see we now with that higher height add our fender flares that give us a couple of inches of clearance and a unique look, and then finish the build out with 35-inch BF Goodrich tires and Method wheels. Now you'll notice that the Method wheels are different on the truck from a month ago and the truck today, and that's because you as the customer get to choose things like that. If you wanted painted fender flares, happy to do it. If you want a tire other than BFG, by all means. Wheels other than Method, yes. 20-inch, yes. Whatever the question is, a lot of times the answer with PaxPower is yes. We love to do it, and we would love to make that truck specific for you. This customer did take several items from the existing Timberwolf package and the build that we did a month ago. You'll see up here on the front end, he also went for the Deviate bumper, which we really love. It incorporates awesome into this front end. It holds a worn 12,000-pound winch, which is plenty to move this big truck if it were to ever get stuck. And then we've got D-rings, cube lights, 20-inch light bar across the front. And then this customer also liked the TRD grill lights, and so we've added a few of these behind the grill in a custom application to give him that cool presence at night. And then he finished it off with some items that were specific to him, side steps, bed covers, and we encourage you to do the same. So maybe you haven't seen an upgrade that you like on a Tundra, but you haven't seen it on a PaxPower truck. Call us. We'd love to consider putting that on for you, whether that's a safe in the center console or overlanding accessories or whatever that is. Further, if you're an aftermarket manufacturer and you think you've got something cool for the Tundras that we should be incorporating and offering to our Timberwolf packages and customers, hit us up. We're going to be backing it up with some B-roll here as I'm talking, but one of our local vendors has done just that. Rival Skid Plates has built a really cool skid plate system for these new 2022 Tundras, asked us to try it out and see what we thought and offer it to our customers. And we're good on all of those points. The product is awesome. It's super thick aluminum with very solid mounting points, which is exactly what you want from a skid plate system. Has awesome coverage, so make sure nothing's gonna stab in any of the important bits if you're off-road or around rocks. And further, we've heard when we buy these Tundras that catalytic converter theft is an issue with these trucks, and the Rival skid plate's gonna help with that. So whatever the aftermarket upgrade is, if it's in the Timberwolf package or something that you would like to add to the Timberwolf package to make your PaxPower Tundra Timberwolf specific to you, give us a call. And another thing, when it comes time to buy this, we also have dealers that will take that package that's specific to you and roll it into your financing so you can buy both the Timberwolf and the Tundra at the same time. And if any of this has sounded appealing to you, the first step is always give me a call at PaxPower. We'd love to hear from you.